Hey gang, Poppy here. I'm putting this forward on videos for a little bit because they're going to be relating to Rustinox's group activity, hashtag shop made tools, all capital letters. I suggest that you join, show some of the stuff you made in the shop in the way of a tool. It can be fun, a lot of fun. Rustinox, I'm going to show you the radius turning attachment setting tool. Good night, stay safe, vaccinate. Start wearing gloves when you go outside. You know, there's filthy people all over the world. They want to give their germs to you. Don't let them. Wear gloves.